Hello everyone! Welcome back to Golden Orange's Kitchen! Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful pearl dumplings.
These traditional Chinese dumplings are a classic dish from Hubei Province in central China. They are soft, juicy, and coated with sticky rice that looks just like tiny pearls after steaming. They're perfect for family dinners, parties, or special occasions. Let's get started. Soaked the sticky rice well for 2 hours in warm water. Drain the water and set aside. The rice should be damp but not dripping with water. In a large mixing bowl, add the chicken mince. Now add the chopped garlic, ginger, carrot, salt, soy sauce. Mix everything together really well. Add cornstarch. Mix everything together really well until the mixture becomes sticky and well combined. Add little water. This helps make the dumplings tender and juicy. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix well. Now add chopped onions and mix well. Lightly wet your hands. Take about 1 tablespoon of the meat mixture and roll it into a small ball. Roll each meatball in the soaked sticky rice, pressing gently so the rice sticks evenly all around. Repeat until all the dumplings are coated. Brush little oil in steamer and arrange the dumplings with a little space between them.
Steam over boiling water for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the sticky rice becomes translucent and the chicken is fully cooked. While our dumplings are cooking, let's quickly prepare the dipping sauce.
Add chopped onions, chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and chili flakes, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Add salt as per your taste. Add hot oil and mix well. Let's check on our dumplings. They look perfectly cooked, soft, tender, and steaming hot. Now they're ready to serve with our delicious homemade dipping sauce. Carefully remove the dumplings from the steamer. Garnish with chopped spring onions if you like. Serve hot with soy sauce, chili oil, or your favorite dipping sauce. Every bite is juicy on the inside, with a wonderfully chewy sticky rice coating on the outside. I hope you enjoyed this pearl dumpling recipe. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Golden Orange's Kitchen for more delicious recipes from around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy cooking!